Welcome to DappCity. Today we take a closer look at creating an augmented reality with Infiniverse. So what is an augmented reality? Well, simply put, it's a digital world that can only be seen through an app on your phone. Or I guess some really cool high-tech glasses if you have them. You can literally create whatever you'd like to put in the world. You just buy land, put whatever you want there, and if someone else is browsing the app in that location, they can see it. You can even start your own business by creating things and selling them to other people and to earn yourself some Infinicoin. So how does it work? First, you have to go to an exchange like Nudex and exchange your EOS tokens for Infinicoin. After you've logged into Scatter, purchase your Infinicoins, then you're ready to go over to Infiniverse.net and check out the map to figure out where you want to buy land. Although you can buy land anywhere in the world that you want, you're most likely going to want to do it where you live. After you've found the location you want to set up, you can choose the size of the plot of land you want based on how much you want to spend. Then just confirm with Scatter and you're ready to go. This My Land tab right here will help you manage and keep track of everything you own. You can now sell your land anytime you want for whatever price you'd like. You can also modify the price you set, or if you change your mind, you can take it off the market. Just remember there is a yearly registration fee, so keep track of that date right here and make sure you don't lose your land. After you've got the Infiniverse app installed to your phone, then you can go and connect your EOS account. Then you're finally ready to go outside and start creating your augmented reality. You'll be asked to do a couple quick calibration steps and then you're ready to build. If you've already bought land from your desktop computer, you can go right straight to that location. Or if you want, you can skip that step and buy land that's right in front of you, straight from the app. Anything you can find inside the Google Poly library can be put on your land. I like hockey, so I went searching for that, but I think a snowman probably would have been more appropriate for this demo. Oh well, anyway, I ended up finding these two little robot-looking dudes and placed them on my land. They'll be sitting here forever, unless I decide to move them, of course. Anyway, one day in the future, all this stuff that we put on our land will be able to move around and be able to interact with us, which is super cool. If you have any questions about Infiniverse, join their Telegram chat. They're super cool and helpful, and you'll get some awesome ideas for using the DApp. Last but not least, Infiniverse as an investment opportunity. Although the creators of Infinicoin mention it's not meant to be a speculative asset, I feel it can only grow as more users become interested in the DApp, and the fact that you can earn an income inside the DApp itself can make a strong case for the token having some very stable growth. Anyway, I love this DApp, thanks for watching, and if you liked the video, I hope you subscribe to the channel. And before you leave, tell us in the comments section, what would you build in your augmented reality?